Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. We're going to take a look at this euro versus the US dollar day trade. But before we do, I want to talk to you about a challenge that I set myself back in the middle of March. I think it was the 20th of March. We just launched our brand new day trading academy last night. And what I wanted to do was, before we launched the academy, what I wanted to do was give myself a challenge to see how much return I could make within 30 days. So what I did, let's just go and get the estate. I put £10,000 into another spread betting account here at IG Index, spread betting account number 2. Put 10 grand in. Why did I put 10 grand in? I don't know. It feels like you can do a lot with 10,000. Nice round number, and we could certainly monitor it easily with a £10,000 a trading account. So I put that in on the 20th of March 2022. So I went about day trading, not swing trading, purely day trading this account. So what I managed to do, and this really is a case study for the day trading academy. So I really wanted to sort of show them every trade that I'd done and the reasons for the trades and the strategies and the indicators and so on. So there's the account on the 20th of March. On the 2nd of May, which is this week, we got it up to 13,000 profit. Okay, so that's 23,000. As I snagged this, it's 23,214. Okay, we got up to a little bit higher when I actually took this chart. And you can see that the growth was pretty consistent. I had a big blip right here. I really can't remember what that was all about, but obviously I had a decent sized drawdown. Now, if I'm trying to grow an account really quickly within 30 days, I've got to take some risks, but I've got to manage those risks as well. I've got to be looking for big profitable trades that I can add to the position to try and grow the account aggressively. Now, you probably won't be as aggressive as I was trading this type of account, but to get 100% return in 30 days was really, really good. So when I got to 30 days, we were at 20,000. Now we're up at 23,000 while I'm doing this update for you. So it's going really nicely indeed. And then since that little blip, we've had consistent profits. Now I'm averaging about 6 to 7 trades per day. It says 6 point something trades per day I'm doing. And yeah, I'm not over trading, I'm not under trading. A week of that I was also on holiday with the family for Easter holidays. So it's been pretty good. I mean, I did get to a stage where I got to 16,000 for the total account. So 10 made 16, made 6, which made it 16,000. Around the 16,000 profit, or £6,000 profit. It sort of felt like it went sideways for quite a bit, but we soon got back on track. So very nice indeed. So I'm using this as a case study for our 6 weeks day trading academy. If you'd like to hear about that, then please speak to Chris at Trading College. So let's just dive into now the day trade on the euro dollar and show you exactly what I was sort of looking at for this trade, which has brought in about £300 this morning. So what I'm trying to do all the time now I'm into the charts, I'm always looking at the bigger picture. As a day trader on a 5-minute chart, I'm looking at the daily charts. Okay, the daily time frame for me can create a bigger picture, bigger signals, where I can take advantage of, tight stops on a 5-minute chart. And this allows, especially for you guys that have got smaller size trading accounts, if you can risk 12 points, 12 pips, okay, intraday, and have the correct margin requirements, and you can certainly grow the account quite quickly if you are trading on the right side of the bigger picture. So if I look at the euro dollar here and go up to the daily chart, you can see that on the right hand side is the lovely trend down in the euro dollar. If you've been following my updates, I've been looking for a bit of a bottom in this market as it comes all the way down to this 105. Now 105 is a psychological area for the euro dollar. It's a round number, and a round number is an area where there's lots of orders placed and a lot of support. and resistance. You'll notice round numbers often see the price reverse. But we got down to 105 here. For 3 or 4 days, we're sort of going sideways. So what I'm looking for then is, okay, we found a bit of a base. This is, people would argue that this long side trade here today is counter trend. Yeah, okay, it is, but I'm trying to grow the account quickly. Okay, I'm not here trying to have the, this is a trend, this is a big trend down, but this one candlestick could go up. This one candlestick could go up 60 points, 60 pips. So I'm focusing on one candlestick, where a lot of people focus on all the trend, okay, the overall trend. But if you're day trading, how many pips on average are you getting? 20 pips on average per trade? 12 pips, 10 pips? I don't know. So why think about the overall trend? Yes, I do believe that you should be looking at the overall trend. But sometimes, this candlestick, the last candlestick, is probably just as important, because it allows me to go and get profits like this, 50-point profits intraday. Now, if this goes up here, it might resume the trend all the way back down here. Okay, but if there's a signal to get long, now the signal really on the euro dollar here was this 4-hour time frame. Okay, so there's a few ingredients that were setting up here at Trading College. Number one, we had a low and a support area, that 105, remember, that I spoke about. Number two, we had a massive low on the storyteller, which was very extended. But then we had a much higher low, okay? And it's not so much divergence. Sorry about that, the phone rang, it was the missus. So always take the call from my partner, otherwise she'll be wondering, what I'm doing. I'm actually trading the financial markets. It's rather important, I think, don't you? Anyway, so let's get back to that. I've lost my chain of thought. So here we didn't have a divergence, because the divergence would have been where we would have broken the low. So there's the low a few days ago. It was higher, in fact. So there was no divergence, but it was a higher low. But the key for it was our trend predictor. See this trend predictor here, this arrow? It's telling us that the momentum is likely to shift up, because it's a green arrow. Let me open it out for you. It's a green arrow here. It's likely to shift up on the next candlestick, go up. So if it's likely to go up, then I'm looking for up moves in that zone, okay, on the 5-minute chart. You can see here, there was an up move there. Let's just get the cursor in the right place. There's an up move there. Okay, so right here, as it was coming down, I'm expecting it to go up on the 5-minute, because the arrows saying the next candlestick on the trend predictor is going to go up. So once you get that, once you get your pro trading system entry momentum shifting up, when you get green, then you're looking for go long. That's your trigger. Okay, so this time frame is your base time frame where the momentum's going to go in the next 4 hours. If you're using a 60-minute chart, it'd be the next 60 minutes. This is a 4-hour time frame, so I'm expecting 4 hours of up, which we're seeing here. We've got 2 hours left on this trade, so I'm thinking we could get even higher on this. And then I'm looking for the trigger entry. Okay, stop here, Pro Trend System stop, gives it all automatically for you, and then we get the move higher. All right, so that was a nice trade. I banked some profit this. I've got a little bit running left for a bigger move. All right, so there's a taste of what we do. And as a day trader in a spread betting account, the spreads are, when I first started trading, the spreads were wide in spread betting accounts. Now they're really tight. Euro dollar, cracking spreads. You can spread bet these markets and do very nicely indeed as well, with some tax-free profits if you're using that spread betting account. Okay, so what am I going to do with that trading account now? Well, I'll probably grow it to 25,000. That would be a £15,000 profit in now it's just the 3rd of May, and then maybe do another challenge. Let's see. But that's the smaller size account. Get back to trading my bigger account and grow that, because I've been focused on this small size account for a little while now. All right, hope it helps, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Give us a like on this video if you're watching it on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel, because we're trying to grow it. Come and join and get our free stuff here at Trading College as well if you're on our website. All right, take care now. Bye bye now.